Michelin Pilot Sport 4S versus the Nexen and Fera Sport SU2. One's a benchmark, the other is a bold new challenger. But in the ultra high performance arena, only one can lead the pack. Let's find out. Throughout this comparison, you'll see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S set as the reference point at 100%. These results are sourced from 2025 Auto-Built Sports Car UUHP tire test. In wet braking, the Michelin stops in just 47.6 meters. The Nexen, 1.3 meters longer. That's a 3% difference. But Nexen claws back in wet handling, posting an average speed of 77.2 km per hour, edging out the 4S by 0.8 km per hour. Aquaplaning, Nexen again leads, holding the grip until 105.2 km per hour, which is 3% better. Clearly, the SU2 isn't afraid of the rain. On dry surfaces, the 4S reminds us why it's a legend. It brakes 1.4 meters shorter than the SU2, a 4% difference, and pulls through corners 2.4 km per hour faster, which translates to a 2% advantage. In the heat, the 4S still dominates. When it comes to noise, the Nexen runs quieter by 1 decibel, a 1% noise reduction that may matter on long drives. How about rolling resistance? The Michelin is 6% more efficient. That's better fuel economy or range for your EV. And then there is price. The Nexen comes in at nearly half the cost, making it a compelling value choice, especially 2 tires for the cost of 1. In summary, the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S still leads in wet braking, efficiency, and dry dominance. On the other hand, the Nexen and Fera Sport SU2 is no fluke. It challenges in the wet, rides quieter, and delivers unbeatable value.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.